Hello, how we doing? 2025 is here. Did everyone have a good Christmas, New Year and all that crap? I had a nice chilled one. I'm excited to be back though. It's not fun not trading. Mando, how we doing? Who else we got here today then? But I'm looking forward to getting back to making some money. Happy New Year, Cal. Hope you had a good one. Hello, Leonardo. Hope you had a good New Year and that. Yeah, good luck for us all, mate. I think it's going to be a good year. I feel positive. So we had a massive sell-off at quarter past. Literally 100 points in 2 minutes. Anyone know what happened? I can't figure out. Yes, Cal, very chilled, mate. Didn't really do too much. Was in bed by 9 on New Year's Eve. Me and my wife don't tend to stay up for it. We'd rather get up early and go out for like a dog walk or something. Morning, Lewis. Yes, it was lovely, mate. Thank you. Yours all right? Trump mentioned the news this morning. Wasn't 100% true. Okay. Yeah, I couldn't figure out exactly what was going on. But I assumed it would be something for that sort of size drop. I need to sort of try and find some form of live news feed or something that I can watch, because I tend to miss stuff like that. So as it stands at the minute, I'm looking for longs. I want to see how this 15-minute candle closes. My overall bias for the day would be sort of bearish. All the time we're above the EMA, I'm going to be looking for longs. Yeah, good thing you got punched by a Trump tweet. It was a tweet, was it? 280 down. He's a madman, isn't he? You can't do anything these days. Fear of being in the trade just in case he sends out a tweet. I mean, it's the market's fault for reacting so drastically to it. Alright, just under 2 minutes until the open. No real news to worry about today, unless Trump runs his mouth again. There we've got final services, PMI, at 1:45, but nothing that I'm concerned about. Fed's quick speech started at 2:15. Yeah, that's what I thought. But I wouldn't have thought that would have had that much of an effect. Yeah, it's part of the process, isn't it? Getting a lovely wick on the 15-minute. Morning, Joe. What's the bias for today? Currently long at the minute. All the time we're above the EMA on the 15, I'm looking for longs, but looking at the chart this morning, I was feeling a move down maybe to Asia Rangers high, sort of my target. But I'll go where the EMA goes, so we'll see. 15 seconds. When he was last in office, markets reacted to anything he done. Yeah, I wasn't trading then, so I don't have the Trump experience yet. I'm sure it would be a volatile year, to be honest, which is good. As long as you're not in a trade at the time he says something. Right, we're open. Should I just crack on with the normal poll? Let me know your bias for today. Currently I'm long, but I'm open to the idea of being short in a bit. Yeah, I think we're coming back to stop that nasty 4-hour wick. Yeah, I think you're right, mate. I reckon maybe a bit of a push up initially, but then hopefully a nice strong pullback. Can I have your journal Excel template? It should be a link either maybe in the pinned comments or if not the description of the video. I've set up my 2025 one for this year. I don't like it looking all bare. Need to get some trades in to start filling that up. %86 long at the minute. Oh, I didn't add a chop in there, did I? My bad. It's Monday. It's not allowed to be choppy. I was kind of watching the markets over the holidays. There's a couple of good days, weren't there? My setup was playing out a few times, but then there was times where it wasn't playing out. That's why I like to try and avoid the holiday season. I'm going to be taking my risk easy, I think, this first week back. Probably be aiming for 125 risk on each trade. I'll be edging on the lower side of that rather than the higher side of that. But I've been absolutely itching to get back to trading. I think it's a good sign that you obviously enjoy it if you're on your holidays and you want to get back doing it. Never in my life have I wanted to get back to work. A 15-minute wick is nasty. I'd definitely like to see that get somewhat filled. Yeah, I think you're right. Lewis got a nice scalp short. Well done, mate. Crypto car. I couldn't wait that long. I traded over the holidays. Did pretty well. Oh, that's good. I don't think it's lots of people do trade it. I don't think it's, if you're comfortable with the risk, I don't think it's something you necessarily have to avoid completely. I think just with the strategy I trade, I like to see quite big trend days. Lots of direction in one direction, and I just wasn't that confident I would get too many of those days over the holidays. We had a few, but all the days that it's choppy, I'm going to be taking losses probably, so it's better to avoid it. How you doing, Jim? Did you have a nice Christmas, New Year and all that? These tunes got me hyped. Yes. That's why I like them. It gets me pumped for trading. I just need to try and not headbang too much because I look like a bit of an idiot. I'm also having to turn my music right down as well, otherwise I shout on the microphone. Yeah, mate, it was lovely, lovely little break. But yeah, I'm itching to get back. Yeah, I'm going to try and take it easy this week. But then I'm looking to absolutely smash it this year. Feel like it's going to be a good year. I'm excited for it. I don't know if anyone watched my last video about my P&L and goals for this year. I actually missed a goal out I was supposed to add. I would, depending on how this year goes, be open to entering the Robins Cup for 2026. Depending on how this year goes, because obviously you need, what, 10 grand starter money, which I don't have now. So if I have a good year and I'm really happy with running this strategy for a full year, then I should be in a position to have a little punt at that. Not to like I'm expecting to get anywhere, but just as a bit of fun. Been my first time running a personal account as well, so yeah, I think it'll be good content for YouTube, and yeah, we'll see how this year goes because I need to get 10 grand together first. Make sure you push that account. Yeah, I will be. Gonna go hard this year. Gonna warm up in January, then yeah, hit it hard. Bit of a boring open so far. Not really done overly too much. Oh, we've moved 76 points. To be fair. It's that 100-point crash we had just before the open is making it look like a bit of a boring open. Do us a favour and hit that like button. Need to be smashing the likes this year. Be cool to get the stream up to maybe like 100 viewers or something. That'd be fun. Surprised about how futures reacts to news compared to pennies. This will be dead after 5 minutes in small caps. Yeah, I'm looking to get a nice little pullback to the 21 EMA on the minute chart. And would love it to respect that, and we can see if we can enter a trade. Right, out of this poly then. 84% long. Yeah, sorry I forgot to add a chop option in there. I normally do, but forgot. You can see it up near 940s. Yeah, I think if we're gonna push it, I can see it up to 900s. 940s, yeah. Yeah, if I was in a trade, I'd be looking to probably take off at 900-ish. Ah, 904s, yeah. Happy New Year, Ward. Good to see you, mate. You have a good one. How many people was out partying for New Year's? I was at home and in bed by 9. And rudely awoken by the fireworks. Dean only got long on the YM. Happy days. Imagine that was a good one. When I first started trading, I used to quite like the YM. Bed by 9 myself. It's a better way to be. I'd much rather get up early, see the new year in nice and early. I remember one year I got up and went for like a New Year's Day run at sunrise. It was fucking wow nice. No one around, went down to the beach. Lovely. Something satisfying about being out on the first sunrise of the year. And yeah, I'm more of a morning person than a night person. Obviously, I'm up at 3:30 or something for work, so I was back to work today as well, so back to it properly now. It's nice to have a couple of weeks off though. Yeah, I'm good, thank you, Ward, mate. Feel well rested and ready to smash 2025. If we ever get an entry. Well, I think the long bias is definitely confirmed, isn't it? We'll get a nice pullback. Right, we've got that stab of the EMA, but that's going to be a big stop loss in it. If we respect it. 50 points, yeah. That's not interesting to me. Is it the news, is it? Yeah, the news has just dropped. So yeah, if I was wanting to take a 50-point stop loss, I'd have been entered. That would have been my setup. Yeah, 50 points. Would be for 2 contracts, $200 risk. Too much. And I like to take 2 at the minimum so I can have a runner. Yeah, when we start getting above 30 points for a stop loss, don't love that. Especially on the drop of the news candle as well. Did you get a chance to check them notes? Yeah, I did, mate. I did have a quick look. There's a lot of information there, isn't there? But I think it's a brilliant thing to use as a reference if you've got something in mind that you want to go back and refresh your memory on, or something like that. Is far better than trying to Google something. It's all there in one place, isn't it? Yeah, I really appreciate you sending that over to me. What indicator for the take profit stop loss? It is just the, I don't know what it's called. Long position, short position, obviously depending on what way you want to go. Somewhere over here on trading view. It might be under another one of these symbols, but yeah, if you open it up, it should be there. It should be on trading view as well. But yeah, it's nice and handy. I like to have it set up so I can clearly see what my stop loss is going to be and where I want my take profit. And it's also fun to leave up if I'm like now is my setup, but it's not one I wanted to take because of the stop loss size, but I can leave it up to sort of see how it had played out. I'll bash out another poem. I've got something I'm interested in. How to word it. Just sent out another poll. Just curious to see how many people we have here that are like full-time traders that are making it work, or people that are part-time traders and part-time workers or full-time workers. Me myself, I work as well as doing this with the aim of hoping to leave jobs. So yeah, I work 2 part-time jobs that sort of work around my trading. Yeah, I'm hoping this year I can leave at least one of them. Now I'm starting to do a bit better with my trading. It's becoming a bit more of a reality, a bit more of an option. But yeah, we've got 40 viewers. Hit that like button, guys, as you're coming in. Helps me out massively. I'm most so far working a job. That's the dream, though, isn't it? Is to leave your jobs and be doing this full time. I'd love to never have to leave my house. That's a dream, 100%. Yeah, that's right, Carl, mate. been a dream of mine since I started. When I first started, I'm like, oh, that's it. Couple of months, I'll be leaving. Year and a half later, wasn't quite the reality. When you live in a third world, 10k a year is above average. Yeah. Yeah, 10k a year is a bit more doable, isn't it? With trading. Well, I've nearly 10 grand in the last couple of months. From the US, been watching your videos, love the transparency and the growth recently. Also in the process, myself with the challenges. Good luck, mate. Hope you absolutely smash it. This is the year to do it. It's going to be a good year for us all, I think. What part of the UK do you live in, if you don't mind? I'm down south, mate. I don't really want to tell you exactly where I live. You might come and hunt me down or something. I don't know. Yeah, no, south coast. I don't know why other people will be like, oh yeah, I live in this city, but just I'm a bit of a private person, so just revealing the city I live in doesn't sit well with me for some reason. How long it took you to be profitable? I started May 23. And I mean, I've only really started being profitable since August 24. But obviously that's only, what, 5 months? It's probably not quite long enough to sort of class myself as 100% profitable. Yeah, so just over a year to get to a point where I feel like I'm doing quite well. I'm getting more and more confident every day with my profitability. Yeah, until I've been profitable for like over a year, I don't really like to class myself as consistently profitable. Do you know what I mean? But since August, I've built 3 accounts up to nearly 3 grand each. So how many above 200 days you got so far, mate? 17 in total. That's on each account. I think I'd still need one more for another payout to get the 5. But yeah, 17 in total. But yeah, as soon as I hit that 30, it'd be no worries, because you just take one whenever, can't you? You're in the south too. I take it you haven't had any snow then, like the rest of the country has. Everyone in the UK has pretty much got snow at the minute, other than me. Never get snow down here. The 75% work a job as well as trade. But I hope this is year, guys, that you all start at least thinking about leaving your jobs. We got a little Saturday night now, so rain. Yeah, we just had rain all weekend. So Han, how you doing, mate? Nice to see you back. Cheers, Ward. Yeah, I'm looking forward to getting that 30 days. 30 days of 200 plus, then there's no thinking about trying to get the 5 days to get a payout and all that crap. I'm going to just sort of take one monthly and whenever I feel like it, really. What's the strat? Do you have a video on it? I don't have a video on it yet, mate. I'm sure if you went back and watched some of my live streams, you'd pick it up, or even some of my weekly videos. But basically, 15-minute chart, I like to see the candles be closing above it if I'm looking for longs like I am now. And then this essentially here, this 1 minute candle, I like to see a nice pullback, a stab into the 21 EMA, but a close above it, so respecting it. And then I would look to enter on the breakout of that candle that stabbed through. So this would have been an entry for me. I'd have entered on this candle here, on this level with a stop order. The only reason I didn't is because it's 50 points. Too large of a stop loss for me. I like to take a minimum of 2 contracts on the micros, so I've got a runner. But 2 contracts would have been 200 quid, so. But it's probably the easiest strategy in the world. So mechanical, very rules driven. Don't have to think about it. Nice and easy, and yeah, anyone could do this. Nice and easy, it's not hard. Which is why I love it. Nice to get another pull back to the EMA. Just chopping around a bit at the moment. See you later, well, mate. Nice to see you. Cheers for stopping by, mate. Appreciate you coming in. Yeah, have a good one. See you tomorrow, maybe. Leonardo's goals reached the 30, 200 plus days as well. Grow the account as big as possible in the process. Yeah, that's my plan. I'm not looking to take too much in payouts, to be honest, over the next month or so. I want to hit that 30 days and yeah, build the account up. I'm just going to delete this because I might be taking another. Might be entering a trade. I don't want to have too much on my screen. So yeah, this is the setup. 1 minute candle stab through. And then I'll look to enter after this candle's closed on a stop order. And I'll look to take half the trade off at 1R. Obviously, if we don't respect the EMA, then this invalidates it for me. Alright, 30 points. 2. Yeah, we haven't respected it, so invalidated for me. That's the reason I enter on a stop order. Just I don't. Maybe a little while ago, I would have tried just sort of market ordering or limit ordering on the EMA itself, but entering on a stop order of the breakout of the 1 minute candle just avoids the sort of fake outs, if you like. Saved me many times. Yeah, nothing is easy, mate. I think this is an easy strategy, but it wasn't easy to get to this point. I mean, it wasn't easy to find this. A lot of hours put in to find that this works. Yeah, they're all unlisted, mate. They'll be in a playlist. All the live streams that I've done since I started doing them a couple of weeks ago have been in the playlist on my channel. You can go back and watch any of them. Which EMA are you using right now? 21 EMA, mate. Just the basic settings. Yeah, we'll be full-time traders, yes. That's my goal for this year. Leave at least one of my jobs. Hopefully 2 by the end. It's going to be a good year for us all, I think. Scalp the spike back up for there. Well done, Lewis, mate. Yeah, I've got a plan and I'll stick to it. This might be, some people might think it's a bit silly to sort of not enter sort of here, but I have rules for a reason. I know from the last sort of 5 months that it works, so I don't deviate from them rules, even if it means missing out on winners. Easy to understand, hard to put it off in the long run. Here, you just got to be disciplined, but it's very rules driven. So as long as you're sticking to the rules, you should be fine. Yeah, I agree, Lewis. I've tried complicated strategies before. I know if you can make them work, fine. But for me, yeah, simple is better. I'm a simple guy. So for me to look to enter again, I like to see one candle completely above the EMA, and then obviously a pullback. I'll just set my order up. Alright, it's me in. Right, I've set 2 up on a 1R. Stop loss is very small and it's very bouncy, so could possibly get stopped out. Actually, I want my stop loss slightly lower than that. I like to go for like 1 tick under. As soon as my half the trade's taken off, I move to break even. I'm not going to be watching chat for a minute. I want to be ready to move this. Chris, just realised I have a similar strategy. Except those are 2 minute. I tried the 1 minute. It's too much noise for me. That's interesting. I don't think I ever tried the 2 minute. I possibly tried the 5 minute. Yeah, I think it's a good strategy. I don't really know sort of how to class it. It's what EMA trading, trend trading, momentum trading possibly. I find taking the breakout of the 1 minute candle, you get quite a big momentum straight off the entry. And yeah, normally within 2-3 minutes my 1 hour's hit. and I'm back to sort of break even. Been a bit choppy today, but I just want to get the want to figure out what it's doing, and then I'll figure out where to put my runner. It's not worth messing around with where my runner's going if I get stopped out. Are these funded accounts you're trading? Yeah, 3 50k funded accounts, mate. All copy traded. Afternoon, F-Dog. Great trader's about to smash through to the upside. Yeah, I don't know, mate. It's not as strong as I like to see it normally. Like I said, normally 2-3 minutes I'm out of, well, not out of the trade, but my 1 hour's hit and I'm at break even. And it's very sort of bouncy up and down, which I don't like. You sort of run the risk of just getting stopped out. Yeah, it's not looking good, is it? Yeah, stopped out for a loss. 128 loss on each account. But we might be topping out possibly. Oh, what a naff start to the year, eh? Gutted. Oh well. I'm interested to see how January goes, to be honest. I have backtested January and last 2024. January wasn't too bad using this strategy, but we'll see how it goes. Yeah, a bit of a frustrating one. How long have you been profitable? I've been profitable doing this strategy since end of August 2024. So going on sort of 5 months now. At the end of August, I was about 600 down on each account, on my funded accounts. And then using this strategy, built them up to, what am I at now, 2,700 each. The overall for accounts is $386 loss and 88 cents. You can see a 90s bounce if we get one more top and reject. Yeah. Yeah, it's definitely paused and started chopping around, didn't it? Bit of a shame because it was what, a couple of ticks from my take profit. Yeah, I think you're right, Lewis. It's one of them things. The trouble is with taking such small stop losses, you run the risk. I play a numbers game over the long run. I know this works out. But it's, having a loss is part of the parcel of it. Yeah. Yeah, you've got to have strict risk management. And yeah, I'm not one to move my stop or go too heavy. My risk size, I'm always in a position to be losing about 20 trades in a row, which is what, hopefully highly unlikely. So yeah, if I lost 20 trades in a row, I'll be on the verge of losing my accounts. But if I've taken 20 losses in a row, there's probably something wrong with my strategy. But that's my what I like to sort of have is a 20 trade buffer, 20 loss buffer. This price action is awful. Yeah, it's not fun, is it? Get rid of this now. Yeah, a bit gutted. It's my first trade of the year, so loss. Would have been nice for it to be in a green one. But still early in the year yet. Yeah, the price action is a bit mad, isn't it? Very sharp movements, isn't it? It's not an ideal time to be trading. Take it easy if anyone is trading. It's a stop hunt kind of market, I think, at the minute. Capped off the 1 minute 50 day. Where penny stocks help loads. I've never even looked at penny stocks. Wouldn't even have a clue where to start with it. Oh, you'd have been laughing if you'd held that 1 minute, that whole move, mate. Yeah, it's aggressive candles, isn't it? Yeah, I think you said that before, Lewis, about the Bitcoin's back at 100k. Yes. And for that, obviously, you need a fairly decent sized margin account, don't you? And I haven't got that sort of money. Are you a full-time trader? No, mate. I work 2 part-time jobs. And yeah, trying to make trading work and hoping to leave at least one of them this year. Yeah, 25k, yeah. Maybe one day, Lewis. So it might be breaking out this range now. Yeah, a bit of a bumpy 50-point range, wasn't it? Cheers, mate. I appreciate that. Wish you luck in yours as well, wherever you are. Five-minute charts looking very bullish. Nice touch of the EMA on the 5-minute. What was my long target? 21. Oh, that was a short one. 21,870 is my long target, which we're almost at. And yeah, I was just looking off of that. I imagine there's probably an area that we're looking to chop around a bit, probably, and then probably reverse for the PM session, I would have thought. How you doing, Eric, mate? Nice to see you. Hope you had a good Christmas, New Year and all that. How's the trading going? Red today, mate. Not great. Nah, not too bad. Took a losses. Got chopped up in this range. And it was very aggressive up and down. 50-point range. Yeah, just got stopped out. But it's one of those things, isn't it? Tomorrow is a new day. What news have we got for this week? I don't think there's anything too major going on, really, is there? Bit of news, 10 AM tomorrow. That'll be something to keep an eye out for. And I think, from memory, there's not a lot going on other than the FOMC minutes. That's a PM session. It doesn't really affect me too much. Oh, well, I'm Eric, mate. It's always nice if you can get in a trade nice and early, innit? Relax for the rest of the day. I bought your wrist chart and it's helped tremendously. Thank you so much for that. Oh, no worries, mate. I'm glad it's helped. It helped me massively. I use it daily still. The say is faffing around with a calculator. Obviously, some people don't mind just taking 1 or 2 contracts every time. But I have a set size stop loss, set size point stop loss. And every day it's different. Like today it was, I think, 13 points. Normally it's about 20 points. So I find where my stop loss size changes quite a lot, I like to keep my monetary risk the same. Always aim for about 125 risk. I think especially if you're trading minis as well. There's a big difference between 1 and 2 contracts, isn't there? So it's nice to know what that difference is, I think. Uncommon fair value gap respected. Yeah. I haven't traded fair value gaps in a long time. I always found it hard to know what ones are going to be respected, what ones aren't. Trouble is you don't know until you get stopped out, do you? So never saying I really did very well with. Tried it for a good few months, but we get a pullback before happening to the 870 level. I might look at taking a trade on my practice account. Uncommon, I'm assuming you're a ICT trader then, are you? That's what I was doing at the start of 2024. That's actually what passed my combines for me when I was trading that. But then after I passed my combines, couldn't make it work anymore. Vlone, how you doing, mate? Nice to see you. As you can see, I'm having a red day. I'm at 1,500 on funded futures family funded account. Funded futures family. I don't even know if I've ever heard of them. But well done, mate. Happy days. It's a nice way to start the year, isn't it? This is my second funding account. I blew my last one. Well, yeah, take it easy this time then, mate. Nice and slow. Slow and steady wins the race, as they say, don't they? NQ is hella choppy, yeah. I got chopped out in this this little 50-point range here. Most of my money in gold shorts. Ah. But happy days, mate. Congrats. Yeah, funded futures. Futures. Funded futures family. Oh, I've never even heard of them. Is that quite a new one, is it? Just looking at their website now. Looks like they're based in California. Wow, that's where they're incorporated. California. Some fairly good sign, isn't it? $97. 1 day to pass, no activation fee. Oh, that's alright. For a 50k account. Oh, 7 days of 200 plus. Okay. Yeah, the no activation fee must be quite nice. Especially if you're confident you can pass them quite quick. In and out. So we've tapped into that 870 level now. So yeah, I can see us pushing up a bit more into it. Yeah, I can see it probably getting even more choppy from here though, and possibly a PM reversal. Yeah, the Discord, we can discuss some strategies to help you out. I do not at the minute, mate, but I am considering it. Because yeah, it'd be I've had a few people ask me about it now, and it's never something I've even been on. But I've been looking into it, and I feel like it'd be quite a good place to sort of chill, hang out, and yeah, be able to sort of chat outside of the live streams. And like, any updates that I have, I can put there as well. So I am considering it. I'll obviously if I create one, I'll let you know, mate. Yeah, the activation fee for Topstep is ridiculous. Yeah, it's a bit of a hard pill to swallow. Obviously, I had 3 50k accounts, and obviously the activation fee is the same on the matter of your account size. So I had can't remember what it was now. How much is it, the activation fee for Topstep? 150? I think yeah, $450 to pay when I passed. But obviously now I passed it, that's it. I haven't had to pay anything else. I don't have to pay any data fees. Because obviously it's still an express funded account. So I haven't paid anything since April last year. So I think if you're confident at keeping your funded accounts, you're not one to sort of YOLO and risk it too much and take it nice and slow. I don't think the activation fee is too bad, but so I love the channel, mate. Keep going. Tuning in from Australia. Bloody hell, it's a long way away, isn't it? What time is it where you are? It's got to be the middle of the night, isn't it? I can never work out the time difference, but I'm sure it's definitely night time for you. Yeah, 150. Yeah, I think, Lewis, if you're like I said, if you're not crazy with your funded accounts and you try your best not to lose them, like, it's a small price to pay in it, really. And if you're a quick combine passer as well, it's not too bad. Obviously I spent quite a few months passing my combines, but yeah, I paid a lot of money for my express funded accounts. There's no way I'm losing them now. I'll take it nice and slow. 2:30 AM New York session is a drag. Oh mate, 2:30 AM. I hope you're not trading. That's not a time to be trading. I'd be half asleep if I was trying to trade. 2:30. I think the most ridiculous times I've traded is the sort of late in the Asia session, about 4 or 5 o'clock here in the morning. But that's because I'm up early anyway. I'm an early bird, so yeah, that's right, Lewis. I was doing one combine the whole time I was doing them, but they were running a discount. I think it was when they started the Topstep X, and they were running I can't remember how much they were, a discount on basically up to 5 combines, I think, and I'm sure it's something stupid like £5 a month or something like that. $5 a month, sorry. So I thought, I'll pick up 3. Because it would still be cheaper than the one that I had. So I think I quickly blew the one that I was on. And then, yeah, picked up 3. And yeah, the 3 combines I was doing was cheaper than the one that I was doing. And it just so happened that was the time that I passed. Then I was obviously hit with the big activation fee for them all. But now I don't pay anything, so... yeah, that's a smart way to do it, Lewis. It's definitely not worth, especially if you haven't got much experience, getting more than one. Stick to the 50, because you're going to blow it a few times at least. And yeah, better to have one pass it, and then once you're more confident, start doing more. $20 50k account. Yeah, but even that sounds high, because I'm sure, like I said, I had 3, and I'm sure the 3 that I had was cheaper than the 1. So it must have, the 3 that I had must have added up to less than 50. I'm sure it might have been maybe a $10 per account, possibly. Maybe 15? Yeah, possibly 15, maybe, I don't know, but... yeah, we're approaching that zone, aren't we, mate? But yeah, I'm expecting anywhere from here, we're going to get a chop. A chop and then probably a reversal later. But I don't expect to be pushing up too much more now, to be honest. If I was in the if I was looking to take another trade, I don't think I'd be looking to bother now. I'm a fan of once it's hit my sort of price targets, I don't love to then go in for a long unless I'm sort of confident it's going to keep pushing up. But once it's taken a price target, it tends to normally not do much afterwards, does it? So obviously you get the rare days where it just goes up and just smashes for everything, but so they've had a pullback to the EMA, but I'm not going to look to trade it. Not at this level. Bitcoin's pushing up as well, 101, nearly 102. Been chopping around over Christmas, isn't it? But yeah, it'd be nice to start getting some more movement with crypto. We haven't got too much longer left of the bull run, have we? So what time is it over there? It is 3:30 p.m. Yeah, afternoon for me. So that's why I don't really touch the PM session, because by the time the PM session's finishing, it's about 9 o'clock here. So yeah, it's not too bad. It's just the middle of the day, which can be a bit of bit inconvenient. Sort of limits what you can do. I'd rather live in North America and be trading in the morning. And I've tried to make London session work, but I can't. Just not enough movement for me, really, for my strategy. Well, you Uncommon, where are you from? What time is it where you are? Oh, North America, is it? New York City. Yeah, it'd be far nicer to get up, have a cup of tea, and then yeah, trade for an hour or so, then have the rest of the day to do what you need to do. Dubai. What time is it there? It's got to be. I reckon 2 p.m.-ish Dubai, is it? 12:30 p.m. in Brazil. Oh, bloody hell. No, not 2 p.m. Sorry, mate. 6 p.m. I reckon Dubai. 7:30, yeah, 7:35. Because I'm looking at my New York time on my platform, 10:35. Right, I think I'm going to call it there for today. I can't see too much more happening now, to be honest. Maybe another bit more of a push up, but yeah, I've taken my loss and I'm going to call it there. Cheers for stopping by. First stream of the year. You pretend to move out the UK someday? Yeah, I would like to move out the UK because I don't really like it here. Me and my wife talk about going to Canada quite a lot. It's probably the only place that's sort of really viable for us. But we've been I'm an hour on it for years thinking about it, but we never do, so who knows. I was see you, lad. See you, lad, blind mate. Cheers for hanging out. Yeah, I'm gonna call it there, guys. Cheers for hanging out, and yeah, I'm streaming every day now for the rest of the year. So yeah, come and hang out. Take it easy if you're still trading. I can see it being choppy, so yeah, don't go too hard. See you later, Frankenstein. Solly, see you later, mate. Go to bed, Solly, mate. It's 2:30. What are you playing at? See you later, Jim. Have a good one. See you later, K-Man. See you later, Leonardo, mate. Chill stream, that's me, mate. I'm a chill guy. Yeah, take care all, and I'll see you tomorrow.